Hello students, today we will solve new type of questions. So our topic is how many numbers can you make? Let's take a question. How many two-digit number can you form using the digits 3 and 8? So in this type of question, you will be asked to form numbers by using given digits. So there are two cases to form numbers. Case 1, when you cannot repeat digits, like you cannot write 3 3, you cannot write 8 8, because here we are using 3 two times and 8 two times. So to form the numbers by using these digits, what we will do, first we will write first digit and then we will write second digit. So our first number is 38. Now we will write the second number at first place and we will write the first number at second place. So our two numbers are 38 and 83. Now case 2, when repetition is allowed. We already have formed two numbers. First is 38, second is 83. Now you can repeat these numbers. You will write 3 two times, that is 33, and 8 two times, that is 88. Now you have formed four numbers, 38, 83, 33 and 88. So if someone asked you what is the smallest number, you know that 33 is the smallest number. And what is the greatest number? 88 is the greatest number in them. So let's take another example. How many three-digit number can you form using the digits 5 to 7 without repetition of the digits? Here you have three digits, 5, 2 and 7. So what we learned in last slide, first we will take first number. First number is 5. We will write second number, then we will write third number. Now we will fix the first number and we will write the second number at third place and third number at second place. So we have formed two numbers, 527 and 572. Now we will start with second number. We will write second number at first place, that 2. We will write first number at second place, that is 5, and we will write third number at third place. Now what we will do, we will fix 2. We will write third digit at second place. We will write second digit at third place. So our new number is 275. Now we will write our third digit, that is 7, at first place. We will write 5 at second place and we will write 2 at third place. Now again we will write 7 at first place. We will write 2 at second place and we will write 5 at last place. Now we have formed all the numbers by using these digits. If someone asks you that what is the smallest digit, and we know that 257 is the smallest digit, and if someone asks you what is the greatest digit, we know that 752 is the greatest digit. Now we will solve some questions from your exercise 1A from your Selena classic book. We have covered question from 1 to 8 in your exercise, in your assignment. Now we will do question number 9. Form the greatest and the smallest three-digit number using any three different digit with the condition that 6 is always at the unit place. In this question you have to form three-digit number, okay, and there is a condition that 6 is always at the unit place or at the ones place. So what we will do, we will make 3 boxes because we have to form 3-digit number 1, 2 and 3, and we know that 6 is always at the ones place, so we will write 6 here. Now to form the greatest number, we know that in digits 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 9 is the greatest number, so we will write 9 at the first place. And what is the second greatest number? That is 8, so we will write 8 here. So our greatest number is 986. Now we will form the smallest number. We know that 6 is fixed here, and we will start with smallest number. We know that 0 is the smallest number, but we have learned that we cannot start a number with 0. So next smallest number is 1. So we will write 1 at the first place. And what is the second smallest number? That is 0. So we will write 0. So our smallest number will be 106. That is our answer. Now we will do next question, that is question number 14th. Find the greatest and the smallest 5-digit numbers with 8 in the 100 place and with all the digits different. So we need to form 5-digit number. So we will make 5 boxes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and there is condition that digit 8 will be at the 100 place, and we know that we start with ones, then this is tens, and this is 100. So we will write 8 here. So first we will form the greatest number, and what is the greatest digit? That is 9. So we will write 9 at the first place. Now what is second digit? That is 8, but 8 we have already used. You have to use all the different digits. So what will be the next digit? That will be 7. So we will write 7 here. After 7 we will write 6, and we will write 5. So our greatest number is 97,860. Now we will form the smallest number. We will do the same thing. We will first make 5 boxes, 3, 4, 5. We will write 8 at the first 100 place. Now we know that we cannot start a number with 0, so we will take 1, then we will take 0. After that 1 we have used, so we will write 2. After 2 we will write 3. So our smallest number will be 10,823. Now we will solve next question. How many 4-digit number are there between 999 and 3000? So in this question you need to tell that starting from 999 and ending to 3000, how many 4 digits number are there. Like our first 4-digit number will be 1000. It is having 4 digits, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and our last number will be 3000. So we will tell between starting from 1000 and ending to 3000, how many digits comes between them. So we know that our last digit is 3000 and our first digit is 1000. We will take the difference of these numbers and our answer question will be solved. So we will minus 1000 from 3000 and our answer will be 2000. Hello students, today we will solve exercise 1B. I am taking some good questions from exercise 1B, and as to the question you solve by yourself. If you find any difficulty you can ask to me. So our question is, population of a city was 3,54,976 in the year 2040. In the year 15, it is increased by 68,438. So we need to tell what was the population of the city at the end of year 2015. So it is a very simple question. Here it is given that population of a city in the year 2040, that equals to 3,54,976, and in the next year number of people that is increased 68,438. यहाँ पर आपको क्या बताया गया है कि अगले साल इतने लोग आपकी सिटी में बढ़ गए. तो when any number increase in the question, what we do, we add the numbers. हम उन numbers को जोड़ देते हैं. So population increase in the year 2015 is this. So what we will do, we will add these two numbers, 3,54,976 with the 68,438, and our answer will be 4,23,414. So in the year 2015, total population will be 4,23,414. So here is your next question. A notebook has 56 pages. How many pages will 5326 such notebooks have? So a notebook has 56 pages. If you have two notebooks, it will have 56 into 2 pages. One notebook contains 56 pages. Suppose if you have two notebooks, it will contain 56 into 2. If you have 3 notebooks, it will contain 56 into 3 notebooks. So same here, it is asking that 5,326 notebooks will contain how many pages? So what you will do, you will multiply these numbers. So pages in a notebook is 56, and pages in 5326 notebooks will have 5326 multiplied by 56. You know how to multiply two numbers. So our answer will be 2,98,256 pages. Now solve another question. In an election, two candidates A and B are the only two contestants. If a candidate scored 9,32,567 votes and candidate B scored 9,235 votes, by how much margin did A win or lose the election? So what this question is asking to you, in an election there are two candidates, one is A and one is B, and A got this much vote and B got this much vote, and we know how to compare two numbers. 9 is same as 9, so we will move to second digit. Here 3 is greater than 3, so we know that this number is greater to second number. So if the number of A is greater, so that means A gets more vote. Now we need to tell that by how much votes A win the election, or we can say A को कितने ज़्यादा vote मिले. So what we will do, we will take the difference of these number. We will write 932,567. We will write 9200235. We will subtract these numbers and our answer will be 32332. So A wins by 32,332 2 votes. Now question number 11. A student multiply 8035 by 87 of multiplying by 78. By how much is answer greater or lesser than the correct? So in this question what he is saying is, you have a number 8035 and a student multiply this number by 87, but what he required to do, he need to multiply by this number by 78. उसे 87 से मल्टीप्लाई नहीं करना था, उसे 78 से मल्टीप्लाई करना था, मगर उसने गलती से कर दिया। तब आपको बताना है यहाँ पर कि उसके आंसर में कितने का डिफरेंस आया, आंसर कितना ज़्यादा या कितना कम था। सो वी विल मल्टीप्लाई 8035 by 87. So it comes 6,99,045. Now we will multiply same number by 78. So it is 6,26,730, and we know that this number is greater. Now what we will do, we will subtract these numbers. So our answer is, his answer is greater by 72,315. Now take another question. Read this question. What this question is saying that एक पर्सन है मोहिनी, उसके पास 30 मीटर क्लोथ है, 30 मीटर्स, एंड उसे अपने लड़के के लिए शर्ट बनानी है, और एक शर्ट में जो कपड़ा लगता है, क्लोथ लगता है, वो लगता है 2 मीटर 30 सेंटीमीटर। अब आपको यहाँ बताना है कि कितनी शर्ट्स आप 30 मीटर क्लोथ में बना पाओगे, और उन शर्ट के बचने के बाद कितना क्लोथ आपके पास बचेगा। सो सॉल्व करते हैं इस क्वेश्चन को। Total length of the cloth we have is 30 meters. First we will convert these meters into centimeter, and we know that 1 meter equals to 100 centimeter. So 30 meter will be equal to 3000 centimeter. Now one shirt requires 2 meter 30 centimeter. It will be equal to 230 centimeter. So to find out how many shirts we can make by using 30 meter of cloth, we will divide 3000 centimeter by 230 centimeter. So total cloth upon cloth for one shirt. So it will comes out to be 13.04. So we cannot make a shirt by using decimal, so we will ignore the decimal part, or we can say here we can make 13 shirts. Now we need to tell how much cloth is left. So cloth required for one shirt is 230 centimeter here. So and cloth required for 13 shirt will be 230 multiplied by 13, that equals to 299 centimeter. So यहाँ पर क्या किया हमने, इतना कपड़ा हमने यहाँ पर यूज कर लिया है, और हमारा टोटल कपड़ा कितना था 3000, इतना हमने यूज कर लिया। दोनों को माइनस कर देंगे तो हमारा आ जाएगा कितना कपड़ा हमारा बचा। सो रिमेनिंग क्लॉथ इज 3000 माइनस 2990 इक्वल्स टू 10 centimeter. So our answer is we can make 13 shirts and cloth remaining is 10 centimeter. Take next question. A number exceeds 8,59,470 by 3,09,999. What is the number? So in this question, what he is saying that we have one number. ये हमारा नंबर है और ये नंबर 8,59,470 बढ़ गया है। तो तो आपको बताना है वो नंबर क्या है। बड़ी वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन। वी हैव नंबर दिस एंड वो नंबर बढ़ कितना गया है 8,59,470। दोनों को हम ऐड कर देंगे तो हमारा आंसर आ जाएगा, दैट इज 11,60,469। Thank you. Now we will solve the next chapter in the next class.